Alright, so I'm ready to install the tub spout. I wrapped the fittings on the copper pipe. 5 times I wrap it around with some plumber's tape. I'll start off by threading this side to where it's nice and snug. And then the tub spout, one that I made and painted, came out pretty good and pretty smooth. We'll thread right on. Until it touches the wall. That'll be the tub spout. Alright, I'm gonna finish these ones up in the next video. Alright, so I was able to customize the extension tube for the tub on the Clawfoot tub. This fits perfectly and works perfectly. I got the extension tube, dropped it over, and painted it. I was able to paint the shower head to match what I painted on the fixtures, trim work. The problem is that I had my kids stand into the tub, and it's a little too short. The head comes a little bit higher than the rain shower, so this video is going to continue because I'm going to cut a piece here out of the drywall. I'm going to move it with a flexible tube right from the top of the ceiling. And I'm going to drop this same rain shower head to the center of the Clawfoot tub. So at this point, everything works well. Drops like a normal tub and normal shower. And then the last is going to be moving it from this side here. I'm going to put it to the top and I'll show you how that's working. Thanks. Okay, I got a drywall saw. It's a really good drywall saw. I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm just trying to get down to where this is the copper pipe, right around this location. I'm going to cut the copper pipe, and then I'm going to connect a flexible tube to bring it up and over. I know that there's a copper pipe here, so I don't want to damage that. Alright, I was able to open up the wall here and expose the shower spout female connector. I'm going to end up putting a shark bite there, drilling straight through with this bit, and I'll find it in the ceiling. Now I'm going to move over. I'm going to find the center where I want the spout to come down at. And I'm going to go in the attic. And I am going to locate where I have this at. And I'll feed the tube, the 1/2-inch shark bite fitting here, to a PEX connector to the flexible tube to come straight down. So I'm gonna head and do that. Thank you. Alright, so I was able to locate the shower head pipe coming up using my long electrical pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and use the bit on my drill to drill down, give myself enough my drill down in order to give myself enough room for my pipe to go down, and then I'll find the other end. Alright, so I'm going to use a small pipe cutter to cut this tip off. Found this my guide bit in the ceiling, so I'm just going to cut this off and get ready for the PEX connector when I go to Home Depot. Alright, thanks. Alright, I fed the pipe up from the shower head hole up into the spout end where it's going to connect to the shower valve. So I'll connect it there, I'll feed it back down into that hole there. So right here is going to be from ceiling joist to ceiling joist. I'm going to measure across and put a piece of backing for the new ceiling shower head arm. So cut a piece of board 22 3/4, and then I'll be able to put that fitting right in. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put the coupler, it's a straight coupler, shark bite, to the shower stem, and I'll connect it to that side there. That'll be feeding the drop down. What I'll do is connect the support across the 2 ceiling joists and screw this. I think it's going to go to that side. I think it's around there where the ceiling joists are. I'll connect it to this side. I'll screw it, and then I'll end up just pushing the PEX fitting into the elbow like that, but I'll do that in the ceiling. So basically that's what's going to happen. I preset these so I could drill them in while I'm up there. Just kind of give it to the ceiling joist and to the ceiling joist. So I preset them, and this will be right above. So basically it'll sit like this. Alright, thanks. Okay, I'm going to connect this piece into the shark bite and then screw those fittings into the ceiling joists on both sides. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to attach the stem pipe. And it gives you a little click. And I'm also going to attach the PEX line. So it connects there, and then it drops down there. So we have a ceiling shower. Alright, I was able to connect the rain shower head instead of the boom coming from the side. So as you can see, it drains perfectly. Before I patched the wall, I was making sure that the connections weren't leaking. Other than that, I think everything should be pretty much complete. And I'll find out when the kids start using it. Thank you.